next important feature is our standby feature. When we go to standby, we have a method which allows us to make virtual standby replica machines from your image files or from your physical machines. So the big benefit is here, before you have a disaster, you prepare an automatic recovery of your image files, for example. So in this scenario, all the data and the configuration is already fully restored to a virtual environment. For example, on a Hyper-V or VMware A6i environment, you can prepare a disaster recovery. So in a case of emergency, you can just power on the standby machine and the user can continue working. I have prepared such an environment already. So let's have a look. So after we configured the standby feature, we automatically recover your full and incremental backups automatically all the time. So you don't need to do anything. It's automatically all the time. And now imagine the disaster happened and the physical environment, for example, has an issue and the user can't continue working on this machine. In this case, we have already our standby replica machine in place. Here is an example. One of these machines is my standby machine. When I choose now the snapshots, I have a big benefit because we not only have the latest recovery point in place, so not always the latest state, no, we have also older recovery points. So imagine you have a virus, you have a cryptolocker, you have a Windows update issue or whatever software related problem, you can revert to an older state and boot the machine from the older recovery time. This is a huge benefit to have the choice to go backwards or forward, depending on your needs. And after you have chosen the recovery point, an older or the latest one, depending on your needs, you just power on the machine. Because since this is the one-to-one restore from the machine, you don't need to wait until a restore has finished because it's already completely restored. And you don't need to configure anything because network configuration, everything is as before. So just power on the machine and continue working. And this is a big benefit because this feature is already included in our software already. And this makes things very, very simple in a case of emergency to have a fast failover and share a new environment for the users. So the standby feature is an important key feature of our solution.